Hi everybody, welcome to Lulu La Vida. And guess what? We got some chile rellenos today. I like mine dry. I don't like them with that sauce. Some refried beans and some sopita. So here are the ingredients, simple ingredients. We're gonna take our flour. We're gonna get about 3 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna add Lulu seasoning and some chicken bouillon. Now remember, Lulu seasoning is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So we gotta season our flour. That's the main ingredient, one of the main things. We're gonna go start shredding our cheese, and I like to buy Monterrey Jack, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put that away. Now we're gonna start doing the eggs, the process of the eggs. We're gonna go ahead and crack the eggs and try to separate the yolk from the white, Now here we are. We do about, what, 5 to 6? We separate them, and once we have all the eggs, we go ahead and get them blended, mix them up until we get the consistency of a very, very thick, heavy cream that when you turn the bowl over, it doesn't spill. That means it's ready, and that's when you can go ahead and incorporate your yolks, okay? So this is what it's looking good. Don't give up. It's gonna come up. See, now we did that. Now we're gonna go ahead and roast our peppers. We got Anaheim peppers, and these are, oh my God, can't recall the name, but they're the big ones with the thick skin. I like mine the thin ones, but my brother likes these, so I bought both of them. So I put them in a bag so it can get from the steam, easy to peel. So we got them peeled, take them out, take out the seeds, and then I rinse them. So, and then now we're ready to stuff them. Today we're making only chile rellenos de queso, cheese chile rellenos. We also have another recipe, which is ground beef, but I didn't do those today. I just did some easy ones with cheese. So we go ahead and close up our chile rellenos. If they're hard, put 1 or 2 toothpicks. That way it holds the cheese inside. You go ahead and put your flour and add in the skillet, add a little bit of oil on a medium heat, and then you go ahead and add one at a time. Baste it on the sides so it cooks on the sides, and then turn it over, and that's it. Simple chile relleno. And then I already had some refried beans, and I had some sopita. I think it's like a fideo or something like that. So here you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember, give me a comment, give a like, and we'll see you next time.